I'm here today to talk about fat loss or weight loss. So many people think that losing is the ticket when they have a diet. And the problem here is this, that people don't know what it is that they're actually losing. And this is why so many people hit a sticking point shortly into their diet or midpoint in, and they fight all the rest of the time to get their weight down. The first problem is that people usually only lose weight after one of three things happens. The first one is they can't fit into their clothes. Some are motivated there. The second point is when they see a picture of themselves from someone else. Oh my goodness, this puts them in shock. This is what I look like? Or sadly enough, when the doctor says, we've got a real problem. So then people, instead of using logic, take that emotion and they run out and find a program that sounds good, might feel good, taste good. It's all emotion, it's not logic. We need to use logic. We need to do what the body dictates to get success. That's what's worked for my clients for 44 years. Now, the first thing that they need to understand is that you got to have a balance of blood sugar level and a balance of nutrients and foods. If you're going to restrict foods on a diet and calorie intake, you're going to be restricting nutrients. So an absolute need for a multivitamin and a multi-mineral is crucial that come about so that this imbalance is not brought about. If they want no hunger, then you want to have your blood sugar balanced. If you want no cravings, then you need your nutrients balanced. Most people think you need a good multivitamin, and that's wrong. You need a good multi-mineral and then a multivitamin. Without the adequate amount of minerals, none of the nutrients go across the cell wall or are transferred in the body. And this requires unpasteurized apple cider vinegar to be in the system several times per day to create an acidic balance to help absorb those alkaline minerals. Now, the calorie content is not the only important part. Most people are underfed. As far as calories go, vegetables will burn more calories. Actual low glycemic vegetables will burn more calories going through the system than they actually give you. And people won't eat enough protein because protein is what makes up our body. And I'm not talking beans, peas, rice, corn, potatoes, as so-called vegans would do. Vegans don't realize that most of that is in what we would call an incomplete protein. We need a complete protein. Our hair is protein, our skin is protein, our muscles are protein, and our blood is protein. And we need protein, complete protein, to replace complete protein. So most people are not getting the right types and amounts of vegetables, the right types of proteins. And when this happens, the hunger stops, the craving stops. The next thing is you need to check how much fat you're actually losing. Most programs lose 1/3 to 1/2 lean body tissue after the first few weeks. Now, an accurate near-infrared light body composition or water weighing body composition is the absolute test. The other one is your strength truly going up, and is your blood chemistry really improving while you're even on your weight loss program? So the measurements that are most critical are the upper thigh, the buttocks, the waist, okay, and the chest area. When those start to lose, you're truly losing fat. But as far as using different types of tests, such as a scale that measures your body fat, please, by the bottoms of your feet, no, you need a near-infrared light machine, or you need an accurate water weighing body composition test. You want to know, because when you lose lean tissue, each pound you lose is causing your metabolism to slow. The body, when it has more lean tissue, burns 50 to 100 calories per pound of added lean per day. So cardio is an absolute waste of time as far as burning calories on a consistent basis, where muscle will burn fat 24 hours a day, where cardio only burns it during the time that it's being done. So don't just think about weight loss, think about fat loss. And that's why we have tested more than any other program for over 44 years to prove that only the fat is being lost and that the lean is still being gained, which is totally possible, and that would increase your metabolism, keeping it high, keeping you more firm, keeping you more fit, and keeping you healthier. Remember, the loss could be your health. Don't let it happen. Thank you.